as requested of elegoo, this is the video of me trying to get this thing to work. Alright, now, before we go any further, as you see, I've got the thumb drive in, ready to take out. There's the directions right here. And also, there's the info. There's what I need to load up. Alright. Alright. Let me plug this damn thing in. Almost forgot. Alright, this thing's plugged in now. Said to wait. Checked it out. Alright. Here we go. There's my thumb drive. Oh, and yes. This has the upgraded software for both the motherboard and the touchscreen. So I'm going to put this right here for later. Now, in the directions you guys gave me, bring it up. Turn off the machine, wait a minute or so. Alright. Plug in the USB drive and turn on the machine. At this time, wait patiently for 1 to 3 minutes and the machine will automatically load the repair package. Okay, well, since it's already turned off, I'll go ahead. I'm just gonna plug this damn thing in here. Alright. In there, good. Alright. Alright, it's on. Alright, it's starting up. There's the thing turned off. System is currently starting, please wait. Alright. It's currently starting, please wait. Alright. Alright, I want to zoom in here. What you see. Said to wait like 1 to 3 minutes. Alright, we'll wait from 1 to 3 minutes. Okay, so far it's not coming up and installing anything, as usual. It says, wait patiently for 1 to 3 minutes and the machine will automatically load the repair package. Okay, well, it's not loading the repair package, and yes, I put the right files on the thumb drive. Not a damn thing. Nothing. There's nothing happening there. There's nothing happening here. Nothing. So, yeah, there is nothing. Nothing is happening. Nothing is happening at all. Alright. Now, absolutely nothing. It's still doing it. It's still in the display. Zoom out of here. Alright, and I'll even do this. See, it has the files. Ow. See, it has the files. Now, I'll even try this. Confirm the firmware files are stored in the USB drive. Update failed. So I can't even do that. Alright. I've got here is the micro SD card. Jeez, fucking wheeze this thing. Horrible. This thing is horrible. Hang on just a minute. That'll help. Or not. Well, that's 512 stick. But anyway, I will get this out. And take that off. And I will proceed. And I will proceed to install what beeping at me. Got it in there. Yep, it doesn't want it. Update failed. Maybe I didn't have it turned around right. I have the feeling I did. Yeah, I did. I've got it hooked up right. Yeah. Alright. Go back. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's, yeah, see, it's not, update failed. I don't think it see it that well, but I will try it again. Let me get this out of here. Close this later. There. Alright, put that back. Tried to update. It says update failed. Alright. I'm going to hold on to the damn thing. Okay. I'm going to try and to install this. And it's going to be the same thing. Come on, you piece of crap. Alright, installed that. Alright, input that. Zoom in. Display looks like shit, but go, who cares? Alright, update. Update failed. And yes, I have all the stuff in here. And no, this is not me. I've done my very best to take very good care of this, especially while I was assembling it. See, I cannot even update. I can not even install the fixed files, the fixer-up files. I have it connected up to the network. The LAN network card is not working. It does. The lights are not flashing, saying that they have internet. I know that I have a connection on the other end, and it is flashing. It is not on this end. And yes, this is the one. This is the cable that came with my printer. Alright. And for settings, it has selected mine. It has selected my Wi-Fi, but it will not recognize, the network will not recognize the printer. Even when I try to print it from software, it will not print from my printer. It does not print from my printer. It does not recognize it, anything. And I'm not about to waste any filament trying to print something off my printer. Because I've already tried that several times. The first time I got this thing, and they've all ended in disaster. I am not going to waste any more filament on this thing. I want an exchange. If it's my motherboard gone bad, that's a different matter. But I want an exchange, and I want to make sure that the device is guaranteed to run by you and 100% checked by you before you send it off. So that's all I'm going to do. I have all the installation software on my cards. I have tried to install it. As you see, the installation's failed. It's supposed to automatically install the Fix-It software. It does not. It does not install it. So that's not my fault. I have done my best to take great care of this. So yeah, I have. I'm not going to fool with this anymore. I'm done with it. If you guys can replace it for me, fine. If not, then I want my money back. Alright, I'm going to upload this to my YouTube website, and I will send you a link via email. Alright.